Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Saifullah. I welcome you all to the platform of Javed Publisher. अपनी आज की इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 3 कंप्यूटर स्टडीज़ के चैप्टर नंबर 4 इंट्रोडक्शन टू एमएस वर्ड की एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व करना सीखेंगे। अपनी पिछली वीडियो में हमने डिटेल से एमएस वर्ड के मुख्तलिफ पार्ट्स को इस्तेमाल करना सीखा। तो चलिए चलते हैं अब एक्सरसाइज की तरफ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। For creating professional documents, we use option A MS Paint, option B MS Word, option C calculator, या option D none of these. The right option is option B MS Word. To scale a document, we use A status bar, B zoom control, C title bar, या D ruler. Ruler. Option D is the right answer. A wide strip which consists of several commands is A ribbon, B window, C status bar, या D none of these. Option A ribbon. To open a document, the short key is option A Control plus N, Control plus B, Control plus O, या all of these. The right option is Control plus O. To increase or decrease the window contents display, we use A zoom control, B title bar, C ruler, या D none of these. Option A is the right answer. Zoom control. Question 2. Fill in the blanks with the help of given words, and the given words are document, save, editing, status bar, control plus N. The dash shortcut key is used for opening a new document. Control plus N. Blank 2. The dash displays the current status of a document, the status bar. Blank 3. The dash area is used to create the document, the document area. In a word processor, dash the text means modifying the text, editing. Blank 5. Control plus S is the shortcut key for the dash option, for the save option. Our next question is answer the following question. What is MS Word? MS Word is an application software. It is a useful tool for creating professional documents. These documents can include text, graphics, clip arts, borders and shadings, etc. What do you understand by text editing in MS Word? The term text editing refers to the process of correcting, deleting or modifying the text in a document. Write the names of the components of MS Word. The components of MS Word are File tab, Quick Access Toolbar, Ribbon, Title bar, ruler, document area, status bar, view buttons, zoom, control. How can you open a document in MS Word? To open an existing document in Word, click on the File tab, click on the Open option. Click on the Browse button, the Open dialog box appears. Select the required document and click on the Open button. The selected file will be opened in Word window. Our next question is to write the steps for the following. To open MS Word. To open MS Word, the steps are click on the Start button, click on Word. The Word window appears on the screen, or type Word in a search bar. Write steps to save a document. To save a document, click on the File tab, click on the Save As option. The Save As pane appears on the right. Click on the This PC or Browse in the right pane. The Save As dialog box appears. Type a file name in File Name text box and click on the Save button. Write the steps to insert a text in a document. To insert a text in a document, place the cursor at the location where you want to insert the text. Now start typing the text. Question 4. Write the steps to delete a text in a document. Select the text to be deleted and press delete or backspace key. Question 5. Write the shortcut keys for the following. Creating a new document. Ctrl plus N. Selecting an entire document. Ctrl plus A. Selecting a character to the right. Shift plus right arrow key. Selecting a character to the left. Shift plus left arrow key. For the lab activity, type a paragraph of 100 words on My School. Save the file with the file name Your Name Class in D drive. इसके अलावा आप MS Word 2019 के बारे में मज़ीद जानने के लिए नीचे दिए गए लिंक पर भी क्लिक कर सकते हैं। तो व्यूवर्स, ये थी हमारे चैप्टर नंबर 4 इंट्रोडक्शन टू MS Word की एक्सरसाइज। उम्मीद करता हूँ इस वीडियो को देखने के बाद आपको समझ आ गई होगी कि आप किस तरह से इस एक्सरसाइज को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़।